Hi guys, hi to everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching us. Yeah, I am Zach. I am Zach Herena. Welcome back to our YouTube channel at Zach Herena. Yeah, guys, let me take this opportunity to wish you a happy and prosperous year 2025. May the year be your year. So, guys, we are very much happy to cross over to the new year 2025. Today, it is day 2 of the year. Yeah. It is another good morning here, and that is in Africa. Kenya, Laikipia County in particular. This is where you have been showing you authentic village life, how we do, how we go about in our life. We show you our authentic life, how the animals we keep, the food we eat, and the crops that we farm here. So, guys, we are very much grateful for your support. You have been supporting us. You have been watching our videos, liking our videos, and some of you have been using the resources to support us. We are very much grateful. We thank God for the year that ended, 2024. We have seen the hand of God being on our side. He has done us a favor. He has blessed us with good friends like you. It is the year that we met with you, 2024. Yeah, guys, some of you started with them, our channel. Some of you have joined us along the way. Yeah, we are very much grateful, and may God bless you all. Yeah, so guys, in today's video, I'll be watering our garden. Yeah, I will be watering our garden. It is since it is a long time since we watered the plant. Our climate conditions here, like now, it is a bit dry, hot and dry. So the crops need a lot of water. So we will be watering our gardens and our trees that we planted. So guys, let's do it together. The water that we'll be using to water our garden. Yeah. Guys, this is our garden. You see this is our these are our spinach. They have withstood the climate conditions here. Yeah, so I will be watering them to give them a lease of life. Yeah, and also our sukuma wiki, the kales. Yeah, and these ones are our carrots. They are not ready. They have gone for too long without water. So even if the water will not be enough, we will be giving them water tomorrow. So I think I have to water them like every 2 days. After every 2 days we water them, so that we give them a lease of life. So I will be starting with these ones. Yeah, guys, and I think this crop of ours need a lot of mulching so that we reduce the water evaporation. Yeah, we will be doing the yeah, guys, we have watered our garden. Yeah, though the water was not enough, so we will be giving it water after 1 day. So in 2 days, we'll be giving it more water so that we can give it a lease of life, and we will save our vegetables. So yeah, guys, we have watered our trees. Like this one is it was wilting. I think the heat was overwhelming for it, but it will catch up. We have done it. Yeah, like these ones that we planted earlier, they are thriving very well. They are doing very well. You see, they have started to grow. Yeah. I see this one needs to be removed. So you see this yeah, here it was grafted here. So anything that is coming down here, it must be removed. Like these ones, they have to be removed so that they have to be removed so that they give this one chance to grow. This one is a pixel. It is a pixel. They are doing very well. Yeah, guys, you see how these ones, the ones that we planted earlier, how they are thriving. They are doing very well. Yeah, they are good. In two and a half and 3 years, we'll be having our fruits. You can see how much water we need. So those jerrycans were full of water. I fetched them with the bottle bag yesterday, and that is why we are saying we need another donkey. We'll be getting it. Grown up now. Now you'll be getting another grown up donkey that is mature, that can do the work, so that we can help us to do the work. So here we need a lot of water, like these ones that have remained. This one is for the animals. So tomorrow you'll have to fetch another water. This one for the animals. As you can see, we have added another animals here. The cows. And the cows, you know, they need a lot of water. They take a lot of water. Like each one of them need a jerrycan. Yeah, each one of them need a jerrycan. So we need a lot of water, and that's when how the Peter's tank come into our mind. So we need to make we'll have to make a tank like the one underground tank that the Peter did, so that it will be the water will not be a problem to us, but one day at a time. So guys, it is time to feed the animals. So we start with our chicken. Yeah guys, like today the chicken are wondering where I was. So they know they are used to be fed very early in the morning. Now it is about 8:30 in the morning. So they are very much worried. So yeah guys, first of all clean the feeding area so to prevent the spread of the diseases. So we are cleaning to remove the droppings of the chicken so that their feed is not contaminated. Guys, don't worry about the dust. This place is very dry. Like now it's very dry. Yeah. Yeah guys, that feeding area of them is clean. You see, you have a lot of chickens to the fall, so we still have small chicks. This is for the water. They have to be clean. Guys, this is the feed for these chicks. So I want to remove this one from the chicks. The chicks are big enough now, so the mother can go out. I want to remove it so that she can start laying eggs again and she brood again. Yeah. So now it is the small chicks that we are going to feed them. So I go take care of the small chicks. Yeah. First we clean the feeding area. Yeah. So this one will be washed. Like recently, we have not been using the kitchen. Yeah, as the family is out, it is not in the area. So this one have been using it for these small chicks. Yeah, these small chicks have been staying here. I've been feeding there. They have been staying here during the day. We also have our animals here. So this kitchen has not been used recently as the family is not in around. Yeah, so I have been maximizing the space, using this place to take care of the small chicks. So I'll be cleaning the feeding area. for me, most time I usually use the main house kitchen. Yeah. Guys, we feed them here. Yeah. Guys, these are our small fish. Some are sick. I have just given them medicine and they are not getting it. So just give them food and see how they respond. So guys, these are our chicks. Yeah, you see, this is and this hen is very good. It is taking care of them all. This is where you have been feeding. We feed them here. They spend their day here. At night, we take them where they are warm. Yeah, guys, as I told you, we want to transform this part of the world. Yeah, we want to make it productive. And poultry farming is one of the projects that can do very well here. Yeah, so we'll be trying it. Not trying, but doing it. We'll be doing it. We'll be when this one chicks are up. They are very good. They are good. We'll be bringing in a lot of them so that we have a lot of poultry here. Yeah. So now you'll be giving them water. Yeah. They need water. Guys, I will be watching this watering crops for them. Guys, you know, poultry need a very clean environment. Yeah. If you keep the environment clean for the poultry, you prevent a lot of problems with them. Yeah. Treatment cost. Yeah. Dying. Yeah, if you keep it clean, you minimize a lot of problems in the poultry farm. The animal is the poultry very thirsty. So, guys, you know holidays are over. Now it is working time. Now it is work non-stop. until such time that the holidays will come, if God grant us the grace to be there. Yeah. Yeah, guys, you see, our animals need a lot of water, so this place needs a lot of water. The poultry, the cows. Now you have the cows. Yeah, they need a lot of water, and the sheep and goats. So yeah, we have to think about the water, and we are doing it. We are thinking of making another ground tank there. Though the cost is a bit high, but we will have to save enough to do the tank. So yeah. I think these ones are big enough now. They don't need their mother. Yeah, they are big enough. They can feed themselves. The code is not a problem now. They are big. So I have taken their mother out so that she can start preparing to start laying eggs, and she gets another chicks. So this one will be staying on their own. They are big enough now. I think they are about 1.5 months. Yeah, they are good. Yeah, you see, here we need a lot of water. You see how they are taking water, so we need to give them a lot of water. Yeah. These are our animals, the sheep. Yeah, in this in this farm we are having a lot of animals. Yeah. Some guys, they said that this was too small. No, it is not small. This is just for staying during the night. This is where you can't take them out here. Here we have a lot of buddocks, so that is where you put the animals in the house. Otherwise they will be staying outside there, but because of those buddocks, so you have to be an extra cautious. So here, even if they come for the animals, you have to know that we are taking them, and we take the precautions, and we can also decide to tackle them. So that is why the animals are staying in the house. Yeah. So our animals, our chickens they are good. They have the water, they have the feeds. They are good for the day. So I'll be preparing myself to take the sheep and the cows to the field, so that them themselves can enjoy. Yeah, guys, that was my morning. Now I'll be going out. I'll be going to the house to prepare my breakfast also, so that even I can have energy to take care of them. So let's see how it goes. Yeah, guys, I am preparing my breakfast so that even I have energy to do it. Yeah, I'll be preparing a strong tea. Yeah, I'll be preparing a strong tea. So I'll be having a strong tea together with the leftovers, the last night leftovers, so that I'll be preparing to take the animals out. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Strong tea is needed. At least. Yeah, guys, that was our morning routine. Yeah, that was our morning routine. The animals are good, the poultry are good, they are fed, they are watered, they are good for the day. So I'm also taking my breakfast so that I prepare and take the other animals out to the field to take care of them in the field. Yeah, so I'm preparing. So guys, we are very much grateful for your support. You have been supporting us. You have been watching our videos, liking our videos, commenting, giving your views, which are very highly appreciated. We appreciate each and every support that you give us as a Kerena. Yeah, we are very grateful that we met. Yeah, you come to our channel not once, not twice. You have always coming time and again to watch our videos. Yeah, that one cannot be taken for granted. We thank you very much. And also, guys, we want to wish you a very fruitful year 2025. May the year 2025 be our year, all of us. Yeah. May the God grace be upon us. Be upon us all through this year. May we see the hand of God doing His work. We have also in 2024, we saw God coming on our side. He made us to meet with you guys. You have been supporting us. Thank you very much. So I wish you a very prosperous and a happy new year 2025. So guys, and if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do at Zack Herena. Watch our videos, like our videos, comment, share, yeah, give your views, yeah. So, and please guys, don't skip the ad, watch the ad, so that you can help us to make it here in the village, in the African village here in Laikipia County. As you have seen, guys, we have improved our home completely. Our home is a very different place than the one that you saw in the past. Yeah, you have the coaches. Yeah, which is the last development in this place. Our walls, our ceiling. We have the animals. We have the cows. We have the chicken. Yeah, we have doubled our chicken. So guys, we are very much grateful. So guys, watch the ads so that you can help us to improve our life here. So if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do. As a Herena, watch our videos, like our videos, comment, share. Yeah. So guys, until the next video, bye.